Hello everyone. In today's video, we're gonna talk about a topic that generates a lot of debate. Does short hair make men look attractive? In this video, I'm gonna explain you 5 arguments how a buzz cut can make you look more attractive. One of the reasons why short hair can be attractive on men is the clean and well-groomed appearance it projects. A proper haircut, well-styled and neat, can convey a sense of order and discipline. Additionally, short hair requires less maintenance and is easier to take care of compared to long hair, which can reflect a proactive attitude towards personal grooming. Short hair also allows a man's facial features to stand out more clearly. Without long hair that hides parts of the face, such as the forehead, eyebrows, or cheekbones, facial features can appear more defined and symmetrical. This increased visibility can contribute to a more attractive appearance. The third argument is that in many cultures, short hair in men has traditionally been associated with masculinity and virility. This cultural association can influence our perception of physical attractiveness. Some people find attractive the more traditional and masculine look associated with short hair, which can add an additional appeal to a man's appearance. The fourth factor is that having short hair can convey an image of confidence and self-assurance. Some people consider men with short hair to have a more mature and professional appearance, which can suggest stability and success in different areas of life. This perception can add on additional appeal to a man's appearance. Finally, although short hair is generally considered simpler in terms of style, excluding the buzz cut, there are different opinions to vary the look. You can experiment with different hairstyles, such as military cuts, faded styles, pompadours, or more messy textures. This versatility allows you to adapt the haircut to individual preferences and highlight each man's personality.